Okay, this is a studio suite at the Southampton Harbour Hotel. A friend of ours is staying in this room and has offered us the ability to record this, so I really appreciate that. We'll start here on the right side of the room where you have your temperature controls and the all-important gin supply and ice. You have your coffee maker, minibar items, fridge. To the right over here, you're gonna have your first closet with iron and ironing board and some robes. On the right side, more storage, slippers, and a small safe. Hair dryer there on the bottom. Seating, as well as a credenza or a chest, your television, some shelving. We have a table here with a sofa. The sofa is actually a sofa bed, so it can be pulled out to allow 2 more people to sleep. Move over to some storage over here in the desk area. There are 2 outlets here, as well as your phone and a mirror. As you step into the bedroom area, you'll notice there is the bathtub here. So if you are sleeping in a room with people using the sofa bed, you might need to coordinate that, you might not. I'm not gonna judge. So that is that. A really comfortable king size bed. On either side of the bed, you're gonna find a nightstand with 4 shelves, as well as lighting controls for the room and 2 UK outlets. There's a sliding glass door here for the bathroom. Single basin sink with your Bradley products. Mirror here. We have a towel warmer here with a vanity mirror. And then your shower. Shower has a handheld shower head as well as a rainfall shower head. You have views for the balcony out here, which can be accessed through the living room area. And we will run out there now and get that. So we're gonna step through here and then out into the balcony area. For seating and some views of the marina. And that is a studio suite here at the Southampton Harbour Hotel.